What up, America? So I did a video not long ago about phytoplankton. I basically stated that I'm under the impression that if every person in America took 500 milligrams of microphytoplankton a day, that cancer, degenerative disease, and Alzheimer's would go down by 90% in the United States. All right, so we're getting to a point to where medicine is all about curing the already formed ailment, the already formed problem, when really I think we should be moving into a space with preventative medicine. And some of the research and data that we're coming up with in preventative medicine is absolutely remarkable. So what I want to talk to you guys right now is I went down to the farmer's market and picked up this little guy. Now this is reishi mushroom extract. And reishi mushrooms for years were called basically the mushroom of immortality in ancient China, right? Because it's got life extending properties. You know, in 2012, 3 new compounds were found in the reishi mushroom. And there's now overwhelming evidence that proves they have life extending properties, significant abilities to stimulate brain neurons, and they actually search and destroy cancer cells. So how many of you guys have had somebody in your life that has been negatively affected by cancer, right? And they were, in there getting, chemotherapy or whatever it may be. Well, call me crazy, the government's going to hate me, and I'm going to use the word cure, but I'm under the impression that I can prevent and cure cancer with the knowledge that I've gained on natural medicine and preventive medicine. So some of the new compounds that were found came with some overwhelming evidence, and it basically states that reishi mushrooms protect cellular DNA from oxidant damage that causes aging and cancer. It also protects mitochondrial DNA. Now, the mitochondria is responsible for producing energy in the body. The mitochondria themselves are protected from oxidant damage. And so you're able to produce more energy and slowly reverse the aging process. It increases level of activity in large suits of natural intercellular antioxidant molecules, resulting in reduced oxidant from cell membranes and organelles that lead to the aging process and similar related diseases. This fucking information is truly amazing. It increases the expression of a key longevity gene and promotes an increased lifespan in species ranging from yeast to primitive worms to even mammals such as mice. So reishi mushrooms, this tincture, this extract increases the span of your life. It is absolutely remarkable. But what I'm about to share with you guys right now is mind-blowing. Now, the cancer industry in America is a fucking multi-million or billion-dollar industry. I don't think that anybody that has their finger in that pie is interested with finding a cure for cancer. I'm not in that pie. I'm the anti-cancer pie. I have a very big interest in finding a solution to the problem of cancer. So an evaluation of all available clinical trials on the use of reishi in cancer treatments was published in June 2012, where there was insufficient data to demonstrate efficient reishi by itself. When reishi was given alongside radiation and chemotherapy, patients were 50% more likely to respond positively compared to those who were given chemo and just radiation alone. The results in cancer patients receiving reishi showed the expected increase in immune cells known to enhance tumor response and stimulate a host of different immunity functions in the body. This is amazing. Everybody on planet fucking Earth should be consuming reishi mushrooms. 3 top superfoods in the world: goji berries, maca powder, reishi mushrooms. Keep them all in your cupboard. Use them all daily. Prevent things before they happen. This is Tyson James Lee. And I'm just on that search for cancer curing. Boss.